Got this pork tenderloin I'm gonna throw on the smoker. We're gonna make some easy meals for the week. Come along with me while I meal prep. Love these pre-seasoned pork tenderloins. Seem to have a really good marinade to them. This one's roasted garlic and herb. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of barbecue with Big Jake's BBQ Rub. No binder needed. We're just gonna give it a little dance on that side. Pat her in real good. It's primed stickage. Flipperooskies. Seasoning on every bite. If you've ever had dried pork, you know how nasty it is, so I don't want to overcook it. Got the ThermoPro temp spike out, about 135 degrees, and we're gonna hit it with some BBQ sauce. The thickest point of our meat, right into the belly of the beast. We're gonna head out to the pit. Our boss pit all the way up to 225 degrees. Right there, fat cap up, so that way the fat drains down and gets the meat some flavor. I'll see you when you become ready and stuff. The other 2/3 of this is our starch and our veggies, so I'm gonna go with rice and some steamed broccoli. Pull up to the one in the bottom-ish. Not quite that much. I wash the rice like 2 or 3 times until I start seeing the water's clear. And then I go to about the first knuckle. If you touch the top of the rice. What? It's Coke Zero. I throw that on. Push the button until it says ding, the fries are done. Need out of that. 135 degrees. Slap on a little bit of this black cherry chipotle. Give it a good basting. Come on now. Come up in here with the little flipperooskies. Put a good striping on the other side as well. Paint it on. Now remember, son, turd, don't burn. She's good and basted. We're gonna let her marinate till she hits 145 so we can eat it. Kids are asleep. Coming in hot. Whew. Extra juicy as long as we let it rest. Dry pork, no bueno. Go ahead and dish up the rest of our food so when we slice, right into the container, right in the fridge, ready for tomorrow. Just got these basic meal prep containers. There's 4 here, and scoot you up. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. Love these steam bags for this kind of stuff. 1 cup of rice has magically become 4 cups of cooked rice. So we're gonna come in here and divide this in quarters. Out 1/4 of the pie. Somebody out there screaming at me, I need to be eating brown rice, but the last time I checked, it's extremely filling for the calories you're getting, so suck on that. Set these aside and pork the loin. What side do you think is the tender of the loin? Gonna go for the big side. I call that melt in your mouth and not in your paws. From end to end, she is beautiful. There you have it, 4 days worth of lunches for $14. Go ahead and hit that follow button. I'll keep you entertained and fed. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in that blurry clip just because I don't want to reshoot it. Y'all have a good night.